Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. I am really excited for today's small house speed clean with me here in 2021. We are tackling my house, which is totally trashed, and I'm giving you all the cleaning motivation today. So if you are in need of all of that motivation, you've come to the right place. We are tackling tons of real life messes. I showed you a little bit of a before there, and I am starting off with one of my least favorite tasks to get it off of my to-do list, and that is throwing a load of laundry in. So as you can see, my table was just full of stuff. So we actually are on a trip when you are watching this video. So I had tons to do, and I just felt like our table just became kind of like the junk area where everything got thrown right before we left. And yeah, so it's just kind of really dirty. So I'm just going ahead and wiping everything up here off the table, from the placemats to the table itself, which you see a close-up here. It is pretty bad. I always like to give you guys those real life close-up shots. So yeah, you cannot always see what's happening on the camera, I feel like, and so I wanted to quickly show you guys that. And then we're gonna go ahead and get some deep cleaning done here as well.
Told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out.
So now that the dining area is all clean, I am moving on into our kitchen. As you can see, tons of dishes were piled up. I always say time invested in one area is time taken away from another. And while I was also filming this video, I was working on my bathroom makeover, which you guys will see next Monday. It is almost completely filmed and edited and ready to be uploaded. And so again, you're gonna see that next Monday. So yeah, stay tuned for that if you do like home DIY projects, and make sure that you are subscribed. But moving on from that, I'm just going ahead and unloading my dishwasher, and then we're going to tackle some dishes again for some real life motivation. And as you can see, my Tupperware drawer needs some organization, so I will probably be doing that in a future video, as I actually have totally ran out of time and I didn't have time to do it in today's video. But stay tuned for some organization motivation coming on my channel as well.
Wait a second, cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want you. There was a void in my soul. Now I found my true home. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on so.
I love some good old editing magic, so I truly wish it was that easy and I could just snap my fingers and have my dishes be done. But that is not the reality. Anyway, I'm moving on and wiping down our counters using one of my favorite cleaners. It is the Method Sea Salt and Lime Cleaner. I absolutely love this stuff. It smells so fresh, and if you haven't tried it, I would highly recommend it.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me. Getting back up on my feet.
So behind the scenes, I knew that I wouldn't have a lot of time to really do my floors, and so I wanted to show you our robot vacuum and what it cleaned up. I run our robot vacuum daily and it cleans this much up. It's literally full every single time that I run it. I absolutely swear by my robot vacuum. So I wanted to include a little slow-mo there before moving on and cleaning the outside of my microwave using my POWERWASH. If you do not have this Dawn POWERWASH, you guys, I highly recommend this product as well. I actually did a video recently where I tried it out on 10 different surfaces, and I actually really do enjoy this product. It's one of my favorite cleaning products. I think it's incredible. And yeah, so if you haven't already, make sure you go to the store and grab a bottle. The fresh scent is my favorite. I think the citrus one actually smells really weird. I don't like the citrus scent. I'm gonna be totally honest with you guys, of course. So I would recommend the fresh scent. We don't have the apple scent. I haven't found it yet anyway here in Canada. So the fresh scent is by far my favorite. Moving on, I needed to give our sink a good scrub. So using my Comet, this is a very abrasive cleaner if you haven't tried it before, but it gets my stainless steel sparkling. Just wait and see the after.
No parachute, you know I'm dreaming about us too. Playing around without a clue. On the edge, cleaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you're asleep. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's
So this wouldn't be a realistic small house clean with me if I did not make my bed and tackle our master bedroom. So we're gonna go ahead and just spend a couple minutes in here and really get all the dust off of my dressers and side tables and stuff like that, as the dust just seems to pile up in this room. So let's go ahead and tackle this space.
What you're all about, the way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just sleep. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just sleep. With us it's all or nothing.
Alright everybody, that is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed the cleaning motivation. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we will see you guys next week for my bathroom DIY makeover. Bye!
Still